I was about to say, you may be wondering where all the kids are. Arthur is actually working today, so I always have to do the farm by myself on those days. But the kids are all up at the incubator watching the geese hatch. Oh, here they come. Did you see anything?
What?
Did you see any geese hatching?
Well, there was just a loud peep.
A loud peep. So they're all super excited because they, like Brighton said, I've never seen a goose hatch. I'm about to milk the goats. I have a pretty busy day today. I try to not have busy days when Arthur's gone. Anytime I have to run errands with the kids, it feels like a busy day. Of course, nowadays they have to stay in the car because of the coronavirus. Can I get this fence out without getting shocked? But I'm going to go hopefully pick up a whole bunch of broccoli and cabbage plants. I'm hoping they aren't sold out. The lady that I was supposed to get them from assured me she'd have enough, and then she sold out. So I'm going to another place, and I'm crossing my fingers that they have what I need. Hey, let me help you over that fence. It's on, okay? Here. Legs up. Don't let the goats out yet, okay? It's not time. Yeah, you can help me milk goats. This is not gonna work. Surprise. Alright, watch out. Come on. Good girl.
There you go.
You're late this morning, Maxie. She'll get in, don't worry. Sit down. Now, do you remember how to do it?
Yeah.
Here, watch. Look at my hands. Squeeze, let go. Okay? And we always squirt out the first ones. She's not gonna hurt you. She's very sweet and gentle. It's okay. Here. Be gentle to her. She'll be very gentle back. Don't pinch it. Squeeze it with your hand. Pinching hurts, but squeezing doesn't hurt. You did it! I like letting the kids try with the first squirts because there's no bucket to kick over, and we have to squirt those first few squirts out of their teat because the first few squirts is where there'll be some bacteria. So we just squirt out the first 2 or 3 from each teat, and then we start to milk into the bucket. And sometimes I have a little bowl down here. I don't have one today. And we give it to our kitty, and she loves that.
I'll bring this over here.
Okay, hold on. That's great. Even monkeys, because they have milk too. Yep.
Even guinea hogs.
Even guinea hogs. What kind of animals are all those?
Goats, cows.
But what group are they in? Do you remember? Mammals?
Mammals!
That's right.
Oh, Mom! It was wagging its tail back and forth.
She's happy.
Mom, can I go in?
You calling to your babies? We'll let them out. Hear your mama. Hi. Hi. This is Sweetie because he is the sweetest goat. You coming? I'm walking out through the goat run to just see how much grass they have left. I can't move them today. I mean, I'll be moving them tomorrow though. So I just need to look and see how much hay I need to give them. They've done a great job clearing this whole area. So tomorrow's moving day for them. All right, y'all can come out. You're free. How's the hatching going?
Good.
Do you see any, is it getting more progressed? Like what's going on?
You can see them. One of them a little bit.
So I was reading about what do they need, like whenever you put them in the brooder. The same thing basically that you would use for baby chickens, but
Yes.
but since we don't have a waterfowl feed, we'll need to add niacin to their starter feed. And guess what that's found in? Nutritional yeast.
We could put that in their water.
We'll just put it in their feed. Yeah, that's an easy solution. We just got back and she is way too excited to help me, so I said she could go check on her geese. I'm going to show you guys all the plants I got. Okay, so one's almost totally unhatched.
Yes.
That's exciting.
Just a few months. One.
Okay, this is a lot of plants, and it was kind of, I would say it was expensive, but not as expensive as it could be. Do you need help? Okay, I'm going to give you a breakdown of all the plants that I bought, why I bought them, and the cost of them. And this right here, guys, is why I need a greenhouse. I've always been content with direct seeding my plants as much as I could and then buying starts. For the kind of production that we need to actually feed our family, more and more, we really need a greenhouse. So I don't know if that'll happen this year. We obviously have a lot of other stuff going on, and this is I'm still able to get starts. And also the price of the starts that I get are extremely low compared to it. I don't know about the country, but compared to like if you buy plant starts in the city. His plant starts that I got today are 6 for $2. So you get a 6-pack of plants for $2. I needed some more dill. It's important to me this year to grow enough dill for all of our ferments. Hopefully we'll have lots of cucumbers. I want to do a bunch of fermented dill cucumbers and dilly beans. That's going to be very important to me. And I don't want to buy dill from the store because it's really expensive to get enough. And so hopefully I'm going to have enough dill. I already have some up in the garden. This is another planting, so I got 24 more dill plants. I probably need a few more, to be honest. I got 12 just sweet basil plants. I guess I only got 12 cilantro. I feel like I need more of that. I have maybe 8 up in the garden already. We eat a lot of cilantro. Oh no, here's more. These are lupine, and they're all different colors. Here, lupine is an annual, so that means you have to regrow it every year. And this is just a beautiful flower that I'm gonna put in my garden because I like having flowers in my garden. This is borage. I got a whole bunch of it because it's medicinal, which I don't actually use plants medicinally unless I like buy them from somebody else, unless I make my own salve. That's like the only thing I really know what to do with herbs other than just cooking with them. So if I'm gonna use herbs, I typically buy them from other people. But I'm gonna have a bunch of borage. Who knows, maybe I'll figure out how to use it. But the main reason I got it is because it is a great pollinator, and it's also good for keeping unwanted insects out. It's just a great garden flower. It's beautiful. It grows really big. I'm excited. I got 60 broccoli plants and 40 cabbage plants. This will be, and I had to just get what I could get. That's another reason I would really like a greenhouse, is so that I can order seeds, get the varieties I actually really want, and not just get the varieties that are available to me as plant starts. So all those plants cost $86, which isn't astronomical when you break it down. If we have a good harvest, then it really way more than pays for itself. So although $86 to some may seem like a lot, and to others $86 doesn't seem like much at all, once you have a greenhouse bought and paid for, I mean, this would cost a fraction of that, because seeds are, depending on where you buy them, you know, $1.50 or even $1 to $4 a pack. And if you're just planting 1 or 2 seeds per little pot, you know, you won't need very many packets for a small farm or a backyard garden. But until then, I'm just thankful I got these. I was really worried he was gonna be sold out. What you have to do whenever you buy plants straight from the greenhouse that have not been hardened off, these have not been outside. They've always been in a greenhouse. And what I need to do is I need to leave them outside for the next few days. In the evenings, I'll just cover them with a thin sheet or something like that. I have a sheet, so I'll just cover them with a sheet. In the morning, I'll take it off and keep them well watered. And in a few days, they'll be used to the wind blowing them. It's gonna strengthen their stems and their roots, and they will have a much easier time transplanting. If I bought these today and stuck them in the ground today, you know, they would do okay, but it would really stress out the plants, and you don't want that. You want as smooth of a transition as possible to get those plants nice and strong so they can withstand disease, so that they can grow well, so that they can withstand bugs. And so hardening off plants is super important. I'm also gonna have to watch to make sure the chickens don't eat those plants. But I had some arugula sitting out for like a week, and they didn't eat it, so. Lunchtime! Lunchtime!
Oh, yummy! That's lunchtime.
Go wash your hands, okay?
Okay.
Do you want strawberries?
Yeah. I need to wash my hands.
Oops, sorry. Do you want cheese?
Yeah.
Say yes, please.
Yes, please.
Do you want a pickle?
Yeah.
There you go. How does that look? Do you want pineapple?
Yeah. You want 1 piece of salami?
Oh yeah, salami. Here you go. Snack lunch today. It is one of our favorite lunches. You know, it's not cheap, but it's quick and it's easy. And almost anything that's quick and easy and convenient, you're gonna pay a lot more money, just like plant starts.
You took my spot.
We are done with school, we are done with lunch. It is time to do my afternoon job. Does your garden ever just call to you? Well, my garden is singing my song right now. For the garden today. I'm really happy with my progress. It is time to go feed all these youngins. Just a second, Betty, and then we have evening chores. It has been a great day on the homestead. We will see you in the next video.